Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to find the derivative of this function with respect to the other variable. I mean, we have to find dz, right, derivative of function z with respect to y, even if I have my independent variable w. So what am I supposed to do? Simply write dz over dy, okay, derivative of function z with respect to y is equal, I have to use this formula again. Remember, anytime I have no constant, there is always invisible one. So we have to write always constant, but because constant is 1, I'm not going to write it, times the exponent n, so I have 2, and I have u. My u is the content of the parenthesis. This is my u. So I have w plus 4, and I have n minus 1. So I have 2 minus 1, and derivative of u respect, in this case, to y. So what am I supposed to write? I'm supposed to find derivative of this. Let me do everything step by step. So derivative of w plus 4 with respect to y. Okay, so I have derivative of function z respect to y is equal to times w plus 4. 2 minus 1 is first power, I'm not going to write it, times, and I have derivative of the sum, so this is dw over dy plus derivative of constant 4 over dy. Okay, so let's take a look what we have. We have derivative of function z with respect to y is equal. We can distribute these two into the parentheses, so I'm going to have 2w plus 8 times derivative of w with respect to y plus derivative of constant is 0, that's why I'm not going to write it. And this is the solution to my problem.